Coordinates: 51 degrees 41 minutes 38 seconds north, 0 degrees 36 minutes 36 seconds west, 51.694 degrees north, 0.610 degrees west, 51.694 minus 0.610. Chesham and Amersham is a parliamentary constituency in the United Kingdom, represented in the House of Commons by Sarah Green, a Liberal Democrat, who was elected in a by-election in June 2021. The seat was created for the general election in February 1974. It comprises the southern part of the former rural district of Amersham, including Amersham and the Chalfonts, previously part of the abolished constituency of South Buckinghamshire, and Chesham and the northern part of the former rural district, transferred from Aylesbury, the local authority in Buckinghamshire Council, and the seat coincides with the abolished Chiltern district. It includes the towns of Chesham and Amersham and outlying villages within the metropolitan green belt. The area is connected with central London by the Metropolitan line of the London Underground, as well as the London to Aylesbury line and the Chiltern Main Line, both operated by Chiltern Railways. The constituency is also close to the M40 motorway. It is home to many affluent professionals. The two main towns are the only part of London Underground network amid an area of outstanding natural beauty. General elections have seen a Conservative winning margin of between 10,416 and 23,920 votes since the seat was created. In every previous general election, the Conservatives have won an absolute majority of the votes cast, and in every general election except two, the Liberals, or subsequently Liberal Democrats, have come second, with results as high as 31.15% of the votes cast. Labour came second only once, in 2017, when it achieved its best ever result of 20.6%. UKIP came second in 2015, Labour in 2017 and the Liberal Democrats in 2019. The Liberal Democrat win in the 2021 Chesham and Amersham by-election was seen as an upset in a historically safe Conservative seat, and party leader Sir Ed Davey tweeted that the result had sent a shockwave through British politics. In June 2016, an estimated 55% of adults voting in the EU referendum in the constituency voted to remain in the European Union, compared with 48% in the UK as a whole. The estimated turnout of 83.6% was the highest in any constituency in the UK, the only higher turnout in the referendum being in Gibraltar. In the 2019 EU Parliament elections, more than 50% voted for parties supporting continued UK membership of the EU. Although the turnout was only 42.8%, the pro-EU Liberal Democrats were the most popular party with 31.9%, with the pro-Leave Brexit party in second place on 30%. Despite the seat's support for remaining in the EU, its pro-Brexit MP, Dame Cheryl Gillan, was re-elected with more than half the vote in both the general elections held since the referendum, albeit with slightly reduced majorities. Gillan died in office on 4 April 2021, and the seat was gained by the Liberal Democrat Sarah Green in the subsequent by-election on 17 June 2021 with a majority of 8,028 votes. 1974 to 1983, the urban district of Chesham, and the rural district of Amersham. 1983 to 1997, the district of Chiltern wards of Amersham Common, Amersham on the Hill, Amersham Town, Asherridge Vale, Ashley Green and Latimer, Austin Wood, Chalfont Common, Chalfont St Giles, Chalfont St Peter Central, Chartridge, Cheneys, Chesham Boys and Weedon Hill, Chosbury and the Lee, Coles Hill and Penn Street, Gold Hill, Hilltop, Holmer Green, Little Chalfont, Little Missenden, Lowndes, Newtown, Penn, Pond Park, St Mary's, Sere Green and Jordans, Townsend, and Waterside, and the district of Wickham wards of Hazelmere North and Hazelmere South. Hazelmere was transferred from Wickham. Great Missenden was transferred to Aylesbury. 1997 to 2010, all the wards of the district of Chiltern except the wards of Ballinger and South Heath, Great Missenden, and Prestwood and Heath End, and the district of Wickham wards of Hazelmere Central, Hazelmere East and Hazelmere West. Minor changes. 2010 present. The district of Chiltern wards of Amersham Common, Amersham on the Hill, Amersham Town, Asherridge Vale and Lowndes. Ashley Green, Latimer and Cheney's, Austin Wood, Ballinger, South Heath and Chartridge, Central, Chalfont Common, Chalfont St Giles, Chesham Boys and Weedon Hill, Chosbury, The Lee and Bellington, Gold Hill, Great Missenden, Hilltop and Townsend, Holmer Green, Little Chalfont, Little Missenden, Newtown, Penn and Coleshill, Prestwood and Heath End, Ridgeway, St Mary's and Waterside, Sear Green, and Vale. Great Missenden transferred back from Aylesbury and Haslemere returned to Wickham. The most recent Member of Parliament for Chesham and Amersham was the Conservative Cheryl Gillan, who held the position from 1992 till her death in 2021. Cheryl Gillan died on 4 April 2021, triggering a by-election held on 17 June 2021.